Hello everyone, welcome to my screencast on Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is a fun, fast and free, easy to use screen and webcam recorder. It is used by millions worldwide. There is a choice of using the free recorder or the deluxe and edit for $150 a month. All new users must download the software to launch Screencast-O-Matic. So when you come to the webpage, this is what you'll see, and you'll just sign up. Remember, it is free unless you choose to use the deluxe screen recorder. So once you select sign up for free, this will pop up. You can sign in with your Google account or type in any email you wish to use. After downloading, you will select start recording for free. And then the launch free recorder button will come up. Once that button comes up, you can choose between recording just the screen or recording with a webcam. Or you can record with both the screen or the webcam. As you can see in this picture, the young lady is recording herself as well as her screen. Furthermore, there's a framing box, and the framing box determines what is recorded on the screen. You can adjust the framing box to your liking by using these arrows and the lines to drag it out or bring it in and focus on what you would like to record. There's also a difference between the free recorder and the updated recorder. The free recorder gives you a maximum time of 15 minutes to record everything you wish to record in one video. But the updated recorder for $150 a month gives you an unlimited amount of recording time for any one video. But for both the free and the updated package, you are free to record as many times as you would like. Some more cool things that come with Screencast-O-Matic is that you can choose the audio you wish to use, whether you want to use the computer audio or headphones. You make the decision, but if you select headphones, be sure to use headphones so that the recorder can accurately pick up your voice and everything you're saying. And you can also choose the size of the frame by clicking size, and the size of the frame that you choose will automatically pop up. So that is a major plus and bonus. Alright, this is my home page, and this is what I see every time I pull up Screencast-O-Matic. Some great things that Screencast-O-Matic has to offer is something for educators and something for work. So teachers, we can use the for education as we plan our lessons to impact the lives of our students, and we can use the for work as we plan lessons and we plan across the curriculum, and we host any type of meeting with our fellow co-workers, be it grade level or subject area. Under education, there are solo plans for teachers and plans for districts and universities, which is really well when it comes to preparing for when districts come to see and view us, and for those of us who plan to teach on the collegiate level or who already do, this is another good thing for us to use. They have some great specialties, flipped or blended learning. I personally love using this in my classroom. I'm not too big of a lecturer because I do not like to talk that much. Video announcements are great. You can record real quick, pop it on Google Classroom, and keep it going. And great mentorships. I do mentoring in my classroom. I love it, and I love this option. And student assignments, because we must keep our little minds busy while they're in our classrooms. Now for work. Solo plans for work and plans for teams. So anytime you're planning with your team, these are good things to use. Training and continuing education. As educators, we must always continue our education, and this is an awesome tool to use. I just love using this tool, and as you can see, I'm currently using Screencast-O-Matic while telling you about Screencast-O-Matic, so you can see how it operates. It's really easy and fun to use, and I really love using Screencast-O-Matic. Now, for those of you who are wondering about the difference between the plans, they have a solo deluxe and a solo premiere. So it depends on what you like. The full video editing suite, added system audio, drawing tools, importing video, scripted recordings, making longer recordings, removing watermarks. The $4 package comes with security backup, branded ad-free site, advanced sharing and collaboration, some video playlists, using channels, and a couple of fun extra things. So it just depends on what you like to do and what you like to use. Another thing that is very important to think about when using Screencast-O-Matic is the sharing of your video. And as we come here and click on support, you can go to tutorials, and they basically teach you how to share, save, upload, and share your documents. With the basic level of Screencast-O-Matic, the free level, you can save as a video file, upload to Screencast-O-Matic, and upload to YouTube. But when you get the deluxe package, you can also upload to Google Drive, Dropbox, and Vimeo. Those are really cool things to do. I know we all love Google Drive. I utilize Google Drive every day. So I am definitely considering updating my package. They teach you how to use scripted recordings, how to drag, draw, and zoom, how to edit, and use the editing tutorials to make your Screencast-O-Matic perfect. So this is my little overview of Screencast-O-Matic. You also, when you upload and you have a lot of videos, you will come over here and you'll see your uploads and your plans, which is really cool because they keep a list of all of your screencasts. I created a new screencast for this specific class. I have a screencast for when I was in undergraduate, and I have a screencast that I use through my MPS email for my lovely, lovely minds that I teach daily. I hope you enjoyed, and I thank you so much for listening and being patient with me. I hope I've encouraged you to download Screencast-O-Matic and utilize it in your classrooms.